How to change sound on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the sound on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and then now click on those 3 points up there. Now click on Setting and click on Notifications. Now click on Sound. And now you can choose a sound from your music or your file manager or recorder, anything you want, and click on remember my choice and click on done. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.